Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Kotak Bank. Okay, so I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information about today's trade. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I have uploaded a lot of educational videos, daily live trade analysis video from last 5 to 7 years plus, and we trade without any indicators. Okay, so by being said that, now let's talk about the trade what I have done on Kotak Bank today. So today I have short sold this stock around 1816 to 1817 in the morning itself. Okay, and after that you can see here how the stock has performed for the day. So overall the stock was bit of range bounded, but it has performed well on the selling side as of today. Okay, so you can see here the stock has come down, and the maximum low point what it has touched for the day is around 1809. So my target was almost around like 6 to 7 points, and the target was achieved here, and I've taken my exit, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Kotak Bank. So if you guys want to learn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, or if you're a beginner to stock market, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you everything from the basics. And I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And the course prices are very reasonably priced, and it's very less. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So here are some of the clients feedback what we have got, and these are in my blog spot, so you can check out all the client feedback, and also you can go inside my channel and see the daily live trading analysis video what I've uploaded from last 5 to 7 years plus. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in trading, you can join us today. So coming to the today's trade, as I said you, it was a short sell on Kotak Bank somewhere around 1816 to 1817, and the stock has performed well towards the selling side today. So according to my study and the strategy, it was a short sell trade. So that's the reason why I have not taken buying side trade for the day. So I always stick to my strategy and my study, and I take the trade according to that. Okay, so if you see the buying side is not performed well today, it was bit of a range bound side, but anyway, at the end of the day the stock has come down and it has made a low point of almost 1809. Okay, and if you see the nifty 50 chart here, in the morning the market went up, and later even the market was in a range bounded section. So that's why lot of banking sector stock has not performed for the day. So almost many stocks were in a range bounded, and they have not given a good momentum. So anyway, by following my study, I was able to do the trade on Kotak Bank, and the target was achieved. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to get personal live market support from me like this for doing a right trade in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.